2018 Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type is a feline bred with a wild streak and a feral yearning to meet or beat any other sports car on the road. This Jaguar F-Type is a thrilling blend of style, luxury, and performance. High power and low weight means effortless speed. F-Type screams uniqueness, speed, and power. In the end, nothing else really matters. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.